Yes, good morning, students. Today we start from the cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a complex network of membrane-bounded tubules. Starts from nuclear membrane to the plasma membrane. It is present in all the eukaryotic cell. It is absent in prokaryotic cell and RBC. This endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. On the basis of the presence of ribosomes on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum on which ribosomes are present, due to the presence of ribosome, it becomes rough. So the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, due to the presence of ribosome, becomes rough. So such rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site of protein synthesis, and the endoplasmic reticulum, or those tubules on which ribosomes are absent, such endoplasmic reticulums are known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and a smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in lipid synthesis. This lipid and protein are the building block of the membrane, all type of membrane, either cytoplasmic membrane, nuclear membrane, or any other membrane. And endoplasmic reticulum also helps in intracellular and intercellular transport of substance. It means intracellular means the transportation of substances from nucleus to the cytoplasm, nucleoplasm to the cytoplasm, or cytoplasm to the nucleoplasm is known as intracellular transport of substance. And the transportation of substances from one cell to the other cell is known as intercellular transport of substance. So endoplasmic reticulum helps in both intracellular transportation and intercellular transportation. And it also gives internal support to the cytoplasm. So these are the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Now D is the Golgi bodies. Golgi body is also known as Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. This Golgi body is composed of membrane bonded vesicles. This membrane bonded vesicles are known as cisternae, and many fluid-filled vesicles, these are fluid-filled vesicles, are also present in the endoplasmic reticulum. Reticulum. This Golgi bodies are also present only in eukaryotic cell except RBC. They are absent in prokaryotic cell. The function of Golgi bodies are: first, it helps in the formation of cell plate during cell division, either mitotic cell division or meiotic cell division. During cell division, cell plates are formed and cell becomes divided into two parts. Second, it helps in the synthesis of lysosome, peroxisome, and other tubules in the cell, and it is secretory organelles of the cell also. These are the function of the Golgi bodies.